In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to join Prime War in the game Once Human. First, open your browser and go to the official website, oncehuman.game. Next, log in or create a Starry Studio account. You'll need this account to access the game. If the game is already released, download the launcher directly from the website. If not, click on Pre-register or Join Beta and follow the steps. Once the download is complete, install the game using the launcher. After installing, open the game. From the main menu, navigate to the Game Modes or Event section. Look for Prime War. Join a team, follow the mission objectives, and start playing. If the game is not available in your region, or if you're having connection issues, here's a bonus tip. Use a VPN to change your virtual location. I recommend using NordVPN, the link is in the description. It can help you access the game and save money at the same time. That's it. Enjoy Prime War in Once Human.